All right, let's talk about personal protective equipment, or PPE. The district has provided us with disposable gowns and face masks. We also have face shields. There are two different types, one with a drape and one without a drape. And we also have our gloves. So there is a proper order to put on PPE. First, we start with washing our hands. So I'm going to sanitize my hands before I do anything else with the PPE. The first piece of equipment I will don is my disposable gown. It goes on opening to the back, and there are little straps to tie in the back. Before I do that, however, I'm going to pop my thumbs through the paper here in order to hold the sleeves down when I put my gloves on, because I don't want any skin showing. So now I'm going to tie my gown in the back, and after I get my gown tied and I'm all covered up, I will move on to my medical mask. Okay, with a medical mask, you want to try not to touch the front or the inside when you're putting it on. You'll first wrap it around your nose, and then you can loop over your ears, and then pull it down over your chin, just like that. Okay, and after I have my medical mask on, I am going to use my face shield next. So, face shield goes on like this. We want it down all the way under the chin. We don't want to wear it up like this, like I've seen people do. Not here. All right, so I have my face shield, my face mask, my gown. Lastly, I'm going to put on my gloves. All right, once I get my gloves on, notice my sleeves have stayed in place, and I am fully protected with my personal protective equipment. After I'm finished, I'm going to show you now how to take off your PPE or doff the PPE, because there's a process for that too. So first of all, I'm going to start with the dirtiest parts, my gloves. So I'm going to use glove and glove technique, which means I fold my first glove inside out and wrap it into my second gloved hand. And then I'm going to take my hand and slip it inside the second glove, pull that off inside out as well, so I have all the germs inside the gloves and I can dispose of the gloves. Next, I'm going to remove my gown, and I want to try not to touch the outside of my gown just in case there are contaminants on the gown. So I'm going to untie it and then wrap my hands up behind and kind of roll the gown off inside out. All right, rolling it inside out and into the trash with that too. Now, before I take off my face shield or my mask, I'll want to make sure I have clean hands. So I'm going to sanitize my hands again. All right, now that I have nice, clean, sanitized hands, I will remove my face shield. Try not to grab the front of it. Remove from the back. And the same with my mask. I don't want to touch the front of my mask, so I want to reach around to the ear loops, remove my mask, and that goes in the trash as well. So at this point, I want to wash my hands, but with soap and water, not hand sanitizer. So now I'm going to go wash my hands with soap and water. And I also want to clean my face shields. These are cleanable with the QT Plus that the district provides. And so please watch our video on how to use QT Plus. Thanks.